Hi. So now Donald Trump has started his tariff war on Mexico, Canada, and China, and he has actually put 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico, and just 10% on China. So I will use the term Mexico and Canada are more terrified by the tariffs than China. But if you look at the tariff and sanctions, they contain their own set of problems, because if you are increasing tariffs, if you are putting tariffs, then it will also lead to inflation in your own country, and that is not good for any populist. And by every measure, Trump is a populist. So I think these tariffs will come with their own set of problems. And he has also actually talked about tariffs on European Union, so they are also terrified, I think. But one thing he has said, that he wants commitment from India, China, and Russia. He didn't name India, but he actually used the word BRICS countries, and most important BRICS countries are these three only. And he want a written commitment. He want a commitment by, I'm not saying written, but commitment means written only. He wants commitment from the BRICS nations that they will never dislodge dollar, or they will never make an alternative currency for against dollar. But I don't think that these countries are going to give any written commitment, because Trump cannot give any commitment that no other president after him of United States of America is going to sanction these countries. So how can and why will these countries give a commitment? So I don't think that this is going to happen.